Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video we are going to be talking about how to set up in-stream ads in an ineligible country. So a lot of people have been asking, how can I set up in-stream ads when I qualify, or how can I set up in-stream ads now that I have qualified to earn through in-stream ads. So this video will be focused on the 3 ways that you can actually set up in-stream ads in an ineligible country. Remember, there are countries that Facebook allows to set up in-stream ads, that's to monetize, while there are other countries that Facebook does not allow to monetize. And one of those countries is my country, Nigeria, and other African countries. Okay, so there are ways that people actually monetize their page in these countries. Okay, so before I dive into the tutorial proper, I want to explain the types of monetization on Facebook. There are what we call stars on Facebook. On stars, your fans get to give you these stars when they love things you do. That's, they give you stars in appreciation of maybe the content or the value that they get through what you post on your Facebook page. Okay, this is a form of monetization. Another form of monetization is brand collabo, where you collabo with other companies, other brands, other personalities, and at the end you get to make money with the content they post or the contents that you post. And another form of monetization is in-stream ads itself. Here Facebook get to display people's advertisements on your video. That is, when you post, before people watch your video or when people are watching your video, an advert will come and display to them. This is in-stream ads, and this is considered the best form of Facebook monetization. There is also other forms of monetization, but these are branded content and whatever. But in-stream ads is the main form of monetization. Once you have monetized for in-stream ads, that means you've monetized. Others can come after, but this is the main monetization on Facebook. So how can you monetize a Facebook page in an ineligible country? I'm going to show you 3 ways that we do this. You can also do this. The first one is let's come to our page. So this is our practical page that we've been using for this series. So we are going to head over to our dashboard. Let's see how far, if this page has made the qualification for setting up in-stream ads. So this is our dashboard over here. This is our dashboard. So we are going to come over to monetization. If you are using your phone, please go to setting or go to your professional dashboard and click on monetization. Here you get to see how far your page has gone and the stage you are to monetize, and the things that are remaining for you to be able to monetize. Okay, for those who are using their phone, who doesn't have a PC to do this, or if you have a PC, just go to Meta Business Suite, click on monetization, and you'll be brought to the dashboard. So we are going to click on monetization here. Okay, so this is our dashboard. This is our dashboard. Like you say, this page has monetization issues. This shows that we've not met the requirement yet. So we are going to view page eligibility. So let's view page first. So we are going to check over the in-stream ads for on-demand monetization. You can see this is a fan subscription and in-stream ads live, in-stream ads for live. So these are forms of monetization, and can also check their qualification, but we are targeting in-stream ads, which is the main form of monetization. So we are going to check. So you see, this page has 40% of the required followers to monetize, and guys, you finally hit the eligibility of the 60 on-demand viewed minutes on this page, and our page is just 2K. The page is 2K plus. We are growing things organically. We are getting the required people that has interest in this page. You are not just getting followers from any other places. You are getting followers from, as in followers that really love what we are doing. So we are taking this thing easy. If you've been following this series, you should know that we've been working on this page and I've been sharing almost everything that I do. So we have seen the stage that this page is. So we just need to run this up. And remember, guys, we are growing this page organically. I've been sharing the steps that I've used to grow this page. We're going to grow everything organically. We are not going to buy followers. We don't do that. We grow it organically and we attract the right audience to keep this page active. That is why the page is already on suggestion. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to show you how to monetize. So the first way to monetize Facebook page in an ineligible country is through someone in an eligible country, someone living in an eligible country. Okay, so there are a lot of countries that Facebook actually allows to monetize their page in. If you have someone there like a friend or a family or someone you trust, you can give them access to your Facebook page and they will apply for monetization. However, guys, please pay attention to this. Before you give out your page to anyone to monetize for you who is abroad, first you have to make sure you trust the person, and you have to make sure that the person knows how to set up in-stream ads so that he or she won't complicate issues, and at the end you won't be able to monetize your page again due to manual error. So before you give out your page for someone to monetize for you, you should make sure that the person has the basic knowledge and knows how to do this. However, before they apply for monetization, always make sure that you are not an admin. They are going to degrade you to a moderator and they are going to be the only admins on your page before they apply for monetization. And if actually your page meets Facebook requirements and they don't flag any of your content and you are good to go, you finally start earning on your page. So this is the first way to monetize a Facebook page in an ineligible country. Okay, so the second way is through a strong VPN. Okay, through a strong VPN. So VPN stands for Visual Private Network, and what VPN does is that it changes your location to any country, any place, any region, any state, any region at all in the world that you want to be. So this is what VPN do. There are strong VPN out there that people use to monetize a Facebook page. However, guys, I wouldn't advise this. I wouldn't advise, in as much as there are people who are doing it, but some of them are professionals, and if you're not professional, if you risk it, any mistake can lead you to demonetization. People don't know that actually when you monetize, there are some things that you do and Facebook will also demonetize you immediately. So you wouldn't want that to happen, especially when it's through the use of VPN that you monetize. It will attract a penalty by Facebook because they have teams that look out for this stuff. So you have to be very, very careful. But people use VPN though to monetize and you can use it, but I don't advise it. If you have been following my series, my monetization series, I am telling you not to use a VPN because it will likely backfire, and I don't like things that will come back to hurt you in the end. So people use VPN to monetize. So the third way is through an agency. This is mostly what most of my students has been using. This is mostly what I use for monetization through is in an agency. This agency, you get to sign a deal with them, and they will tell you this is our terms and condition, and if it meets your, if you love the condition and you know you can stick to it, your page will be monetized. These agencies, they have the basic knowledge and they know how to do this. So there are a lot of agencies, have a lot of them. I've been using them to monetize people's page, reliable ones, not just any agencies that host superstars in your country, and agencies that are trusted, especially in my country, Nigeria. I know a lot of agencies that I've worked with that are trustworthy, that have monetized many pages, and they are the ones monetizing most of our celebrities. Okay, so agency is actually one of the best ways to monetize. However, The secret, I love telling you guys the truth. The stuff is that you get to share your revenue with them. Some of them take 30%, while some take 20%, but you have the guarantee that your page is in safe hand. Nothing will happen to your page, and your page will be safe. You'll be in charge of your page. Nobody will be in charge of the page, but they will monetize your page and they will be watching it, and they'll also be guiding you. Okay, so these are the three ways to monetize a Facebook page. So we are going to be continuing on this series. On my next video, I'm going to be revealing a very important way that you can protect your Facebook page from being hacked. Okay, so till that video, stay safe. Thank you for always watching and engaging on my videos. I remain Justice Chibike. Thank you for watching.